Well, it's the first morning of BTME 2026, and I'm on the Allett stand, and I'm with Dave Allett, who's the export sales manager, and we've just been hearing about the innovation that you're bringing to the show this year. With well, you're better to tell us about it than I am, Dave. Can you tell us about what we're
Of course, it will be a great pleasure. Yes, this is the first unveiling of our brand new Omnia range of machines. We go from 22-inch to 34-inch. This is a complete new machine from the ground up. So to quickly run through the features, first of all we use a Vanguard lithium battery. This has an 8-year warranty. That's an industry-leading.
It looks a mighty piece of kit, that battery.
So this one on the small machine is 1.5 kilowatts. On the 34-inch, we have a 3.5 kilowatt, and you can actually double that up, so you can have 2 batteries, and then you've got 7 kilowatts. That's more capacity than any other machine of this.
How many hours of working would we get out of one of those?
Out of the 2 batteries there, you'll get a full working day of 8 hours.
Which is always what people were looking for, wasn't it?
Absolutely. And one of the features of this machine is just how many different heads we have, and the cultivation heads we can cultivate deeper and more precisely than any machine that's come before this. We've got a 2 kilowatt motor, which again is industry leading for the cutting head, whether it's a cylinder, a verticutter. We even have solid tines and hollow tine coring machine. And the connection and disconnection, we simply unplug that.
As simple as that.
And that's then disconnected. And then reconnected.
Ready to go again.
Ready to go again. So traditionally with cartridge machines, what the operator has to do is make a lot of adjustments here, loosen the cartridge, then physically lift the cartridge out. So a lot of manual lifting. With this, there's no manual lifting at all. It's all automatic. The machine automatically detects which head is being used. So when you change from one head to another, you don't need to adjust that head. So again, traditionally, you would have to make a lot of adjustments to reduce the height of cut if it's going from a cylinder unit to a cultivation cartridge. We've done away with
simplicity is everything.
Absolutely. Just one other feature I'd very much like to talk about is we have direct drive to the rear roller. So normally traditional machines you have chains or belt drives to the rear roller to get the forward drive. This, we have a motor in each end section of the roller, so there's no belts and chains. That makes it much quieter, more efficient drive, and the bulk of the maintenance for this type of machine is lubricating and adjusting chains, adjusting belts. Inside the rear roller, traditionally there are differential gears. All of that's been eliminated. So from a maintenance perspective, from the workshop perspective, most of the maintenance is gone. The drive on the machine, because we have this dual motor, as you drive the machine forward, when you turn, you release a lever which cuts the drive from one side, and it makes the steering much easier. That's what we call smart power assisted steering. makes the operator's job much easier.
Now, Allett itself, this is all British manufacturing, isn't it?
So yeah, we're a British manufacturer based in Stafford. So everything is designed and built in Stafford.
Excellent. Well, I'm sure it's the early stages of the show, but I'm sure these machines are going to be a big hit, and look forward to a successful 2026 for Allett.
Okay, thank you very much.